I would highly recommend that if your subscribers have not been opening your emails for a while, like let's say it's been more than 90 days that they've been on your list and they haven't bothered to open or read any of your emails, then I would highly recommend that you clean up those leads because they're taking up space. You're paying those leads for those leads, and that's going to affect your opens and click through rates. Because what I found from my own email marketing list, I was sending out emails and I noticed my numbers were a bit lower than what I was expecting. And so when I went into my Aweber back office, I checked for three things. I checked for unsubscribed, undeliverable, and dormant subscribers. And from these three categories, I found out that I had a lot of people that were in those categories. And so what I did was I got rid of those leads. I axed them out and cleaned them off my list. When I did that, that helped to improve my opens and clicks. I actually saw my opens go up significantly. So it goes to show that if you have email subscribers that are not opening your emails, then you got to make sure to get rid of them. Otherwise, they're not only going to be taking up space, but not only you're going to be continuing to pay for them, whichever autoresponder service that you use, but it's also going to affect your opens and click-through rates, and it's not going to be very good.